Back to the garden. As you can see, these 3 pots of potatoes have seen better days because I think they're ready to go. So I am going to test one of them. Got my handy dandy blanket here to dump all the crap on. And to make my life a little easier, cut these things away. I stopped watering them a while ago. There hasn't been much rain either, just a few. Nah, I wouldn't even call them any heavy rainfalls in the last little while. So hopefully they're all nice and good. I put on some gloves. Juan got a nice little shipment from Laguna for his woodworking shop. I think it was like a dust collector, whatever. Anyway, the company packed it in cardboard that had been put through a shredder to make the cardboard more flexible for shipping. And, you know, just instead of using, what do they call those things? Peanuts and styrofoam and whatever else. So anyway, I got that cardboard was all, because they put it through some kind of shredder, so it was really good to, it was easy to work with, and I cut it all up to use as, ooh, there's a potato, ooh, they're white, oh well, use it as a brown matter in my compost. And in the process, using a pair of scissors and heavy-duty scissors, like one that Juan uses in his workshop, I ended up with a bunch of blisters on my hand. So I don't want to get them too dirty going through this. So, ooh, look at that. I love when, ooh, you're kind of small, but you'd still be tasty. Oh, there's a lot of little small guys. Looks like they could have, oh. Tons of little guys. But let's see what's down here. Really, at the end of the day, like last year when we planted potatoes, we were kind of disappointed with our harvest. It didn't seem to be as, I think that was the actual seed potato that they came off of. We didn't get as many as we thought we would. So, needless to say, we were hoping for something a little bit better this year. Well, it seems like I could have, if I kept watering these babies really well, they might have given a bit more, but even right now, like, that's, I haven't even gone through most of this stuff yet. I did, yeah, I think I mentioned in one of my other videos that I did we tried 3 different types of planting of potatoes this year. We did the towers with multiple layers. Oh, that's not so bad. These ones were just to put in some dirt, put the potatoes in them, covered them with dirt and the straw that was on top, and that way. And then there was the other ones that I started, the first ones I started, which I didn't actually do those ones first because they still look like they're kind of viable. But the other pots I did, which are over on the other side of the garden, oh, that's green. Those ones, same as these here, we started them like just one bunch of potatoes at the bottom, but I kept letting the plants grow up and cover them that way. So every time they grew like 6 or 8 inches, I added more soil. It grew another 6 or 8 inches, I added more soil. And so on and so on and so on until they got to the top. And then I stopped. Lots of little guys. Okay, might as well just do this. I thought I saw... Oh no, maybe that was just a tag on this. It's a good thing I don't mind being dirty. I have a feeling that that's pretty much it. Doesn't... Oh no. Wait. Oh, there it is. Oh no, there's the seed potato. That's one of them. Yicky. It's all mushy. I want to say that may be it. Oh, and of course I'm proven wrong again. And again. And again. There's another seed potato there. I didn't put many potatoes in each of these pots because they're only like 20-liter size containers, so you don't put a whole lot. I think I only put 3 or 4 in each of them. That's not bad. It's actually better than it was last year, believe it or not. I know it doesn't look like a whole lot. Some people do these and they get tons and tons and tons. Maybe I'm just not doing it completely right yet. I'll get there one day though. But I think that is about it. Yeah, that looks about it. So with the exception of this guy who looks kind of greenish. Yeah, the rest of him is okay. So I'm just going to let those sit here for a couple hours. The sun is nice and warm. Harden their skins. Even those guys are like good. You just scrub them off. You keep the skins on. Boil them up. Eat them like they're candy. It's all good. I'll clean up the soil after I take away those potatoes. And then yeah, I'll probably do those ones too. I think I'll get rid of those two. That's definitely the seed one. That doesn't look nice. I thought they were red splashed, though. Maybe the other ones are red flashed. Maybe I mislabeled the frickin'. Wouldn't be the first time I did something stupid. Oh well. Anyway, when I get the chance to go through the rest of these two, I'll show you what I got from them. Till next time, we'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.